Hi everybody, welcome back to today's video. How y'all doing today? Today is Monday, January the 5th, 2026. Pancho Villa Francisco right there, my co-pilot in life. He's accompanying me on a walk where we have a whole bunch of different kinds of birds in the trees right now. They're so beautiful. Hi babies! And we got a ton of crickets over there by the pond. And frogs. That's what I meant to say. Frogs. Oh, we just got done walking the southwest side of Hills Creek Dam. Went down to the powerhouse and made our loop. And then we drove up to the top of the dam and we walked the stretch of the dam up there. And now we're on the we're on the northeast side of the dam, where local Oak Ridge people say, oh yeah, you talking about by the old JC Hall? Which is right inside those trees over there, that building. And I'll go, yeah, you know exactly where I'm talking about. And then somebody else might say, oh, are you talking about the fire camp east of Oak Ridge below the dam? And I'll go, yeah, that area. That's my walking area with Pancho. And a whole bunch of other locals too. It's like nice and quiet, and everybody respects everybody when there's a car up front. Unless it's a good friend of yours. They go further off somewhere else, or they come back, you know, like when someone's gone. At least that's what I do. And every time I've come out here, except for once, I didn't meet anybody. Or I'd see somebody and they'd be on that part of the road coming back this way to go back out, you know, just doing the circuit. And we'd always, you know, share the space, but also give each other space. And, you know, that's vital when you're connecting with nature and you are appreciating the work of the creator. Creators, even the new stuff. I like the old stuff, like these trees. The baby oaks. I grew up with these. These take a long time to grow. And those cedars over there. This is the fire camp area right here. There's a motorcycle over there. Somebody's illegally camping down here on a motorcycle. Look at Pancho, he sees it too. Come on, Pancho. Come on. Come on. You don't want to go? This way? This way? Yeah, that's weird. And that's another thing I heed. When there's something that's unusual or doesn't feel right, I have no problem going somewhere else. I trust my spidey sense. Always trust in your spidey sense. Plus, it's getting colder. I've got a couple of things to do with the car, getting it ready. Got to put the fridge in there, and Got to figure out where I'm going to put it. We'll see. Exciting to be traveling on the road again here, right directly. I have my final, what do you call it? It's way more than physical therapy, but it uses Japanese and Eastern medicine and natural modalities to be able to allow me to be able to do more with my body, to be more able-bodied in my daily activities of living and not in so much pain. Do a lot of craniosacral, lymphatic drainage and stretching and breathing work while I'm doing it. And then cap it off with some very potent Reiki. You know, you gotta restore your flow, your energetic flow. Hi, babies! So beautiful, look. Where are you hiding? There you are. Hi, little one. Pretty birds, and they're all over in here. Hey, beautiful. Hi, babies. And at that, I bid you adieu. Till I see you on the next video. May your days be beautiful. May your heart be light. And may your walk in beauty be a learning experience that you will never forget, but always emulate. Be well.